53 years old. I am married and we have 5 children. I have 3 grandchildren. I was a second-class boatswain and we took care of the ship. I worked out of amphibious base Little Creek, Virginia. My job was to transport the United States Marines to their designated position. I work in this athletic sports facility. I'm a construction superintendent. It was Easter morning. I went out to call the cows, and I noticed my voice was a little hoarse, and I was thinking that it was allergies or the pollen or something like that. And over the course of the next few months, I started losing my voice when I noticed I had a severe earache. Went to the doctor. The next day when we went in, they noticed something on my vocal cords. They told me it was cancer.
So Jimmy Walker was a patient. When I first met him, he had a very advanced cancer of his voice box. Given the extent of the cancer, it was my recommendation. I felt the best treatment for him would be to have surgery to remove the cancer, which unfortunately necessitated the removal of his voice box.
I said, okay. I prayed about it, and I was willing to do. I really felt that God had put me in position with those people. But I was willing to fight for my wife and my children and my grandchildren.
Jimmy was a joy as a patient. We hit it off almost immediately. So I just remember him and his wife coming every week. His wife was wonderful support for him. It was really a joy to spend time with the both of them.
The 2 most important things, they saved my life, but they kept my wife involved, and they took care of her. They talked to her. She had a lot of questions, and they gave her a lot of information. And still today, we're still processing what they were telling us.
It was scary, and we were on a very unfamiliar path going forward. The Prisma Health physicians were incredible. They gave us great information. They led us hand in hand the entire way through this process. Never at any time did I feel like we were on our own to fend for ourselves to figure out what the next step was.
One of the beauties of the head and neck cancer program here is that there are so many experts that come together and work as a team to help patients through. And so he got help not just from me, but from lots of other specialists to help him with those side effects during the course of his treatment.
But if you keep a good attitude, don't feel sorry for yourself. You keep yourself in that fight. If the doctors and the team at Prisma Health share something with you, what they recommend, they told me, your best chance for cure, this, and we follow that to the T. I truly trust what they tell us. The evidence and the results that we have to this day is because of the way they work, the way they communicate, their knowledge, their training, and what they do for us as a patient.